How do I reset the voicemail password on my phone?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk through how to reset your voicemail password on your phone. This can be an essential step if you've forgotten your voicemail password or simply want to update it for security reasons. Remember, resetting your voicemail password can differ slightly depending on your phone model and service provider.
Why would I need to reset my voicemail password?
Voicemail is a handy tool, but if you've forgotten your password, you may be locked out of your messages. In addition, it's a good idea to change your voicemail password regularly for security reasons, similar to how you change passwords for email or banking accounts.
Resetting voicemail password on iPhone.
If you're an iPhone user, follow these steps. 1. Open the phone app. 2. Tap on Voicemail in the bottom right corner. 3. Tap Set Up Now. 4. Enter your desired new password, then tap Done. 5. Re-enter your new password to confirm it, then tap Done again. Note, this might vary a bit depending on your iOS version.
Resetting voicemail password on Android.
For Android users, the process may vary more depending on the version and brand of your phone, but generally you can try these steps. 1. Open the phone app. 2. Tap on the Voicemail tab. 3. Tap on the Settings or Menu option. 4. Look for Change Password or Password Settings. 5. Enter your desired new password and save the changes. Important: if these options aren't available on your device, you may need to contact your carrier or service provider.
Contacting your service provider.
If you're unable to change your voicemail password directly from your device, you might need to contact your service provider for assistance. Most service providers offer online resources for resetting your voicemail password, or you can call their customer service line for guided help. And that's how you reset your voicemail password. I hope this guide was useful, and you're now able to access your voicemail without any hiccups. Remember, keep your voicemail password unique and secure, changing it periodically for better security. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask if you have any questions.